Hi guys, this is Abraham from Rapid Customers, and in this video I'm going to talk about video number one: how to install a contact form on your Facebook landing page to collect leads. Um, you can use whichever program. I choose to use Aweber because Aweber is legit. Has a lot of great features that I'm going to jump into in a second. But for some Mailchimp, whatever contact form, this is using the same concept because at the end of the contact form, when it's done, it's going to give you a code, and we're going to enter that code inside of the Facebook landing page. So I love using Aweber. So as you can see, I'm on the pricing sheet. The first month is just $1. For 30 days, you can have up to 500 subscribers opt in. You can send unlimited emails. Excuse me, 30-day money back guarantee. Then after that, it becomes $19 a month. And believe me, guys, it's really worth it because the follow up system is awesome. So jumping in, as soon as you log in, and you're gonna have to set up a follow up message. Now, the follow up message is basically um, the information they're gonna receive after they opt in. It's going to be something like, thank you for so much for opting in or following us or whatever you're showing them, and please, to confirm your email, click on the link. So you can go ahead and design that yourself. I'm not going to do that right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skip over to the web form. So as soon as I click on the web form, I'm going to create a new web form, right? And then on this web form, you can get really creative. You can have templates. You can feed off the template. But right now, we're just going to do something really quick. Let me take that out. What I want to do is create a white background. So I'm going to there. And then for comments, let's see, I don't want address. So basically what I want to do on this contact form, since it's going to be for my Facebook landing page, I want to have number one, their name, their email, and I want to have them put their Facebook URL. So let's see how to do that. Add, let's see, field, create new field. This is going to be, and again, you can do what you want. I'm just going to do that, and so people know. And then on here, let's see, so they know that's going to be there. All right, so I save. That looks good. Again, I don't want to. You could get really fancy by checking out these templates here, the new ones. I'm just gonna do something very basic because what I'm gonna do is put graphics around this text box. So we're gonna scroll down. I'm gonna delete this footer because it's just causing up space. Also take out Aweber because people already know it's Aweber once they get the information. We respect your email. You can get really fancy. You can come here and edit. All right, and then you can use input. You can switch all the information, like make the text bigger. For the inside of the box, which I choose, keep it at 18. All right, and then labels, keep those at 18 as well. So they're big. They're like, oh, okay, I have to punch in the information here. All right, so we're gonna keep that the way it looks here, and I can change the color, the precision, and then the submit button. It's kind of weird. It's on to the right. So I'm gonna put or just in caps. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna save that. And then I don't like that blue, so I'm gonna use red. And I'm gonna center it. You see the position here? My videos now. Okay. So for this opt-in, I'm gonna just go ahead and save it. So we're gonna save that form, and we're gonna move along to go to step 2. And then on step 2, this is the basic settings. You want to name your form. So in this one, I'm gonna put Facebook page, and then the thank you page. Now this is your choice. You can have an audio version of, you'll hear of some vocals. Hey, thank you for subscribing, or thank you for opting in. You're one step closer away from getting your treat. You can actually shoot a video. You can add a custom page, meaning that somewhere on your website you can create a landing page, something. What most people do at this part, which is really great, custom page, is they'll go to a landing page on their website, and then on that website, you will say, hey, opt in, click on the link XYZ. So right now we're just going to keep it basic, or you could just stay on current page where subscribers do, they won't have to see a thank you page. It'll just jump right into the nuts and bolts. So we're just going to keep it the basic version. We're going to save that. Alright, now we're going to go to step 3. Now this is step 3. They're giving us the code now. Now they're telling you in bold who will publish this form to your website. Of course, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to scroll up and click I will install. And you have two different versions. The JavaScript, which you can't really control. I recommend using the raw HTML version because you can center the contact form. You could make changes on it. You could go back, instead of going through Aweber, is actually go back in here and changing the width, the height. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. Okay, now we have that copy. We're going to jump into Facebook. I'm just going to show you something really fast. Okay. Now this is the landing page where it's going to be. So we're going to hit the pause button for a second. We're going to go to settings. And in settings, this is where all the coding happens. Everything's broken down into code. The reason why I choose to have everything broken down into code is because I can keep track of everything. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put that information underneath my video. So we're going to click here. Let me take this one out. This is the actual code. So we're going to that's the old one. We're going to hit backspace. Okay, input. And we're going to type in center. And we're going to control V or right click paste. And that's the actual code. So we're going to close. You see how I typed in center before? Now we're going to close the center. And then we're going to scroll down to save settings. Okay, so after you save the settings, we're going to view it. So this video is on autoplay. I'll show you that in another video. So basically this is my text. Discover these simple strategies, the video, and then down here we have the contact form. So pretty cool, right? So that's how you set that up. Now this here is graphics. Again, I recommend just designing the graphics first so it looks inviting. The last thing you want to have is just a contact form by itself. You want to add some more information like, yes, I want to opt in, so you either want to hire a graphic designer or you can give us a call and we could design something inviting so that people can click on this link. And again, once you have all this information, the great thing about it is, let's go back to subscribers. You'll start to see people opting in their information in here. That's a brand new one I just created about 2 minutes ago. So when people start opting in their information, you'll start getting it. Now the cool thing about Aweber that I really enjoy is you can set up alerts. And what I mean by that is, on your phone, when people opt in the information, you'll get an email notification. So I wish I could show you the iPhone here. That I usually have it set up where as soon as I get an email, I'll get an alert like, oh, okay, let me go check my email. I was like, okay, great, I just got somebody opting in. Now that's a really good strategy. And if for some businesses, if you want to put their phone number on here, so as soon as you get that email contact, you can go ahead and call them up, which is great. So that's exactly how all that is set up. And again, I'll talk more about setting up the video on autoplay on your page, so you can go ahead and get that started. So that's video number one: how to install a contact form on Facebook to collect leads. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or shoot us an email.